So yeah, we are in this tight spot. Someone parked wrong and all of the others have to also park like that. So what's happening over here? Okay, so we'll go from here. Yeah, so as expected I have to go back to work, so it's gonna be a long night as well, so let's see how it goes. Okay, I hope we don't face another car coming from that side, but even if we do, it's okay, you know, not that of a big deal. Come on man, why did you park like this? So these are the evening scenes here in Riyadh on the King Fahad Road. You probably aren't seeing that much traffic on this side since it's the service lane. The actual road is inside. So what I can actually do is I would like to actually go from here. This one is okay. The map is showing a different route, but I wouldn't go for that. It's actually longer and the time saving is only just 2 minutes or something, but I'll opt for the shorter one. So these are the evening scenes. Now we will take a U-turn up ahead. Also have to get the car refueled, so that's also something we need to do. Maybe I will get it done after I leave from work at night, or maybe I could do it on the way if I find a fuel station. There's none over here, so I wouldn't actually go here. We can take the King Abdullah Road and go straight to the Mashru, the project. There's another one that I have in my mind, so that's a G2 or T2 standing over there. Let's go, buddies. Let's go. It's time already, and we have to we can take actually a shortcut. The shortcut is that instead of facing the traffic over here, we go on the service lane and we actually skip a little bit of this traffic, because there's another ramp down onto the King Fahad Road up ahead. By the way, it still wants me to go from the other part that I'm not going from. So okay, no worries, we'll take the option that Google Map is giving us. What's this? Mattoon? That's what's written over there. Been a long day. Esports World Cup, that's the advertisement going on over there on the Kingdom Tower. Oh, all these trees blocked the view, but trees are better. Trees are better. We need trees. It's okay. Oh yeah, there's the advertisement for the Esports World Cup. Olaya View. There's the fitness time. I just actually came from over there. Now alhamdulillah we have a catalog of, I believe, more than 170 videos moving around different areas of Riyadh. Honestly, it's so fascinating to just record all these areas, and it excites me to just think about it, that how it will be like 20-30 years down the road, and inshallah we'll be seeing these videos again to actually just see how things have changed here in Riyadh. So here we go. What a wonderful scene. No traffic at all on this side, but on the other side there is. And once we were coming back here to the gym, so we faced that traffic. But here, Tariq Fadi, the road is empty. There was a fuel station below, but actually we have some 40-50 kilometers on the car, but let's go. Check out the amazing scenes here in Riyadh. That's a Renault car in front of us, but not sure what the name is. It's Talisman. That's what's written on it. One of my friends bought a Renault Grand Koleos, so I found that car to be quite interesting as well. And we have the iconic Toyota Crown Gidamna in front of us. Here we go. That's a beautiful color on the Toyota Crown. And these are the scenes sitting in the traffic of Riyadh, although the traffic isn't that much. Okay, let's check on our TikToks and everything, but actually the traffic light turned green, so we will not be doing that because we have to reach somewhere. Sah? Yeah, I'm glad you people agree, right? Wow, it's a cozy evening here in Riyadh actually. If I had time, I could have stopped at Dunkin's to get some iced latte or something with milk, but right now maar in the waqt, I don't have time. Okay, this place has a lot of garages, so I think we'll have to come in this lane. The traffic police, they are directing us over here, so not sure what the issue is. Maybe some people are just speeding to come into this lane and it could have caused some problem. But here we are. Now we can go 100. Let's put the car in sports mode, although it's low on fuel. I put the car in sports mode. Come on, sports mode, come on, come on. Take us to our destination. That's a good driver, gave us way. I want all of you to be like this. This one. Come on, man. We have to go somewhere. Please give us some way. Actually, the traffic is slowing down, so well, we all have to slow down. There's no runway up ahead. There's a traffic light. So yeah, okay, understandable. Even this guy gave us some space, so it's okay, but we are gonna eventually stop at the traffic light. What's that little buggy? It's from Renault, the logo on it. I feel quite tired actually, but well, work is work. We have to do what needs to be done. We have to earn that bread, right? Did I say it right? Can you people relate to what I said? I hope you can. You are smart people. I hope you can. What's your age, by the way? If you are watching till here, let me know your age down in the comments. I want to see if we are in the same age bracket and we relate to each other, or are we in different age brackets, yet what we discuss about it's relatable, because I'm wiser. Actually, I'm not being narcissistic. I just wanted to be a little bit sarcastic, so don't think that I'm a narcissist, which I'm not. Obviously, you have been watching my channel for long. You know that there's some work over here going on. You have to be very careful on this at the Tariq Makkah and this Prince Turki intersection, because the traffic lights over there have a radar for the violation detection. And this S-curve, I really like going from here if there's no traffic. You see, it was curvy. Yeah, so let us come into this lane. Oh wow, what's happening over here? Someone just opened the car door while it was in motion. See the traffic of Riyadh. People coming in from everywhere. Let's put the car in eco mode. ما يبغى مشاكل بعدين. Yeah, it's in eco mode now. Wow, the traffic light turned green. Am I gonna be lucky enough to pass through it? Am I or not? I don't think so. We don't want to be overtaking from the right over here. You know, it's not good. But I really have a feeling that we'll not be able to reach there. Or maybe we can make a run for it. Come on guys, we all have to move. We all have to go. Please, please, let's go. Yeah. So we made it through. Another curvy corner. guess the guy wants to turn. Okay, yeah. Here we go. So I'm almost back at work. I'll be ending the video here, and it was a pleasure talking to you guys, and I hope you felt the same. I hope all of you stay blessed. Have a very good night here in Riyadh or wherever you are watching this video from. I wish you all the very best.